Hello and welcome. I hope you're ready to watch this short video about using tag efficiently in a large automation project. Please note that we want to use, not define. In a large project, you want to use many predefined tags and integrated them rapidly in your TIA Portal project. I think this is the quickest and best way to implement a high volume of tags in your project, the fastest way possible, okay? Let's try it out. How can we do this? For example, imagine that you have a project with 20 motors. All the tags you need are already organized in different tables, such as inputs, outputs, and faults. First, let's define the tags. In the PLC tag section, we'll add new tags table and rename them. Let's create inputs or push buttons, outputs, and faults. I renamed it faults. Now let's open the input table. For motor 1 I have start and stop. I will select both of these tags and drag them down. Since we have 20 motors, we need to drag the tags to create 40 rows in total. Start and stop for each motors. This gives us starts 1 through stop 20. Next, open the output table. I have motor coil 1. I will drag this down 19 times, plus the original, which makes 20 total motor coils. Finally, open the fault table. I will add overcurrent fault 1 and drag it down to create 20 separate fault tags. Now I can start programming quickly. How can I do this? I can double click on OB1 and start programming. I have an RS flip-flop, I have a start on set, I have a stop on reset, and I also have a normally close on reset and an output on the Q. I'll just click on network 1, use Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V. I repeat it until to create 20 network. Okay, now I can start my tag quickly. How can I do this? First, I can use the split vertically icon. If I click on the input table, the tag appears on the split screen. I can now select start 1, drag it to network 1 when it is needed, drag stop 1 to proper place, and so on. I will also bring the motor coil 1 from the output table and the overcurrent fault from the fault table. Another best way is to use the floating window feature. Look at this icon. If you click on it, the window became a floating panel that I can position anywhere. I will make the input table, the output table, and the fault table separate floating window. I will adjust their size and position them around my main programming screen. Now I can quickly drag the tag into the appropriate location for network 2. I will drag the start 2, stop 2, motor coil 2 also, and overcurrent fault 2. Then I'll repeat this for network 3 and so on until the end of my programming network. I think this is the most efficient way you can use a large number of tags in your TIA Portal project, I think. Okay, I think that's enough for now. Take care and goodbye.